The 2025 Honda City continues its legacy as one of the most reliable and popular compact sedans in its class. Known for its balance of performance, comfort, and practicality, the new model arrives with subtle updates that enhance its appeal to both city drivers and highway cruisers alike. Exterior design. The 2025 City features a sleek and modern exterior with a refreshed front fascia, slimmer LED headlamps, and a more aerodynamic profile. The front grille sports a bolder look, complemented by redesigned alloy wheels and a refined rear bumper. The car maintains a dynamic stance with sharp character lines, giving it a sporty yet sophisticated look. Interior. Inside, the cabin is spacious and well-appointed, offering improved materials and a more premium feel. A new digital instrument cluster, updated infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, and wireless smartphone integration come standard on higher trims. Enhanced sound insulation and ergonomic seating ensure comfort for both driver and passengers during long rides. Performance. The 2025 Honda City offers a fuel-efficient 1.5 Li VTEC petrol engine, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission, the engine balances power and efficiency. Some markets may also offer a mild hybrid variant for enhanced fuel economy and lower emissions. Safety features. Honda continues to prioritize safety with a comprehensive suite of features. The 2025 City comes equipped with Honda Sensing in select variants, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and road departure mitigation. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability assist, and a rear-view camera. Market position. Positioned in the compact sedan segment, the 2025 Honda City competes with models like the Toyota Yaris, Hyundai Verna, and Suzuki Ciaz. With its reputation for reliability, low maintenance costs, and a refined driving experience, the City remains a favorite among urban professionals and small families looking for a well-rounded car. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda City builds on its strong foundation with smart updates that improve its style, comfort, and safety. It remains a top contender in its class, offering a compelling mix of practicality and elegance for drivers seeking a dependable daily ride with a touch of sophistication.